Okay, today we're doing a high-level overview of the installation of a PV solar system. So we're on the roof of this commercial office building. Here's a before picture, before the system was installed. We had to get plans approved with the local building department and city. Here's where we're going to be mounting the inverter and the disconnect switch in the parking garage below the building. So the solar installer came and they're going to mount the panels to these trays. The trays are weighted down with concrete blocks. So here's the day that we're getting all the equipment hoisted up onto the building. Here's the panels that come packed on pallets. The guys are getting them installed and hooked up. This took several days. And we're getting the wiring connected to each panel. Get the covers put on. And then getting the conduit ran to run on the wires down to the parking garage below us. Getting the conduit labeled. So you can see how those are installed. That way you're not making penetrations in your roof. Everything sits on top of the roof and is weighted down. Now with everything fully installed up here on the roof, we can go downstairs and install the inverter and the main disconnect switch and the meter box. We had to cut a hole in the concrete ceiling in the parking garage to run this conduit, run the wires into the switch gear in the electrical room. Utility had to come out and make their connections, shut everything off, and then turn it back on once we were done. There's a new disconnect switch that's been installed. See, the new wires are installed. Again, this is a commercial office building. The new meter box is installed. Again, the power's off right now, obviously. This is mounted to the outside of that electrical room. And there's the equipment installed. You can see the inverter above the disconnect switch. Everybody did add their inspections, the fire department, the county, utility company, got the meter installed, got our permission to operate. Woo! See the inverter's powered on, making electricity now. Meter is spinning. Again, this is just a high-level overview. And it's a Model 130B rated at 100 kW. The inverter has a 4G data logger. So we can log into this dashboard from anywhere and see what we're producing in real time and keep track over the days, weeks, months, years, etc. So that's really nice. And here's a live look. It's still early in the morning, so we're not producing max electricity yet. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. And now I'd like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook, available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, tags, signage, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need hats, shirts, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.